Okay, let's do this process in practice in DaVinci Resolve. To use lookup tables in Resolve, you have to install them first. So to do that, click here this gear icon on the top bottom right, and then in the color management tab, you scroll down until you see these lookup tables, and then press this open lookup table folder. And this is the lookup table folder. And here is our color correction kit. And to install it, I simply just drag it here, so I copy it here. But because I have the color correction kit version 2.1 here as well, I will just remove that. So now we have the updated color correction kit here in the folder. And then we press update list. And it will take a bit of time. And then we save. And now we have all the lookup tables here when I right click and go to 3D LUTs, and then here in color correction kit, and so here we have them. Okay, so in Resolve we have two clips. This is Vlog and this is Cinedy. So if you for some reason open up with the empty table here, the first thing is you press Alt S to create a serial node, and then you press you right click, you go to 3D LUT creator, 3D LUT, and then you go and look for, because this is Cinedy, we'll first apply a Cinedy to Vlog lookup table. And now we can start doing our corrections. Let me find here with temperature and tint and all of these things. But to be able to see what we are actually doing, let's create another serial node and let's apply a lookup table to transfer the colors from Vlog to Rec 709. So here, Vlog, and then Rec 7. Let's try number 2 here. And now it's much easier to see what we're actually doing. So here in the first node, we can go to the temperature, and I think it's bit magenta. So let's give it a bit of green, and then I think it's a bit too warm. So let's give it a bit of coolness. And then you can go, for example, the curves and just play around with the contrast as much as you want. You can do it before the transformation, or then you can do it after the transformation. And now we have in these two ones you have done the color correction, and here you can start doing your grade. For example, let's apply a lookup table. For example, let's apply the KDX. And because we have already corrected the footage to Rec 709 space, even though it might have been log when we started, but now we'll choose the Rec 709 version of this lookup table, so this one. Okay, I think our grade is done. So then the next one. So this is Vlog, and Vlog is even more simple because, well, it's Vlog. You don't have to transfer it, you don't have to make it Vlog. So then here 3D, and then here I don't even want to explain because this is so easy. And then let's number 1. I like the number 1, and then we can just apply a bit of curves maybe. Let's bring that down. Yeah, I guess that's done. So this was a quick technical run through this technique, and in the next video let's dive in to make some more sophisticated color corrections, and I'll show you how you have to analyze the footage and understand, so you know what to do with the footage to get the best out of it. Okay, that's in the next video.